3 levels to dropshipping: beginner, intermediate, advanced. I'm going to tell you which one you're in right now and how you can get out of that level and move on to the next one. Let's get into it. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Connor Chapman and welcome to the channel. I post videos every single day. If you guys want to join my free mentorship, that's right, I said free. I'm not making you pay for anything. Wait, hold on. Wait, a guru who's teaching you stuff online for free and he has a free mentorship? Oh my gosh. Are we even on YouTube anymore? Holy crap. No, seriously, it's free. Like, join it. If you guys want to join, currently have to be there's a wait list, but if you want to join and jump the line, all I have to do is like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel and let me know, and next week I'll be picking the winner, okay? That's simple as that. Anyways, let's get back to the video, okay? So I'm going to be breaking down these 3 different categories. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can get out of each one, okay? Think of dropshipping or e-commerce in general as, a video game, and you need to pass different levels. You need to get by the bosses, right? To get to the next level. Okay, so there's 3 different levels. The first one is beginner. Now, beginner, people in the beginning stages, as a beginner dropshipper, I started there too. Their biggest downfall is that they aren't confident, okay? And let me know if this sounds like you. You spend $50 to $100 on your Facebook ads and you wonder, why dropshipping doesn't work for me, and you wonder if dropshipping is a scam. You're copying ads from other dropshipping stores. You have spammy ad copy with way too many emojis and way too many smiley faces and hearts and 50% off, shop now, 50% off, buy now, limited time offer, right? You're trying to sell too hard on your ad copy and your Facebook ads. You have no custom thumbnail. And on top of that, your Shopify store just is all over the place with too many colors, spammy trust badges, and you probably spent only about 1 to 2 hours on your product description, yet you took like a week to even launch your first, ad, and it took you about a week or so to actually find a winning product because you were too busy watching YouTube videos and always trying to catch that next best thing, right? You probably have, as a beginner, what beginners get a lot is shiny object syndrome. They always think that someone has the secret behind a closed door or behind a, $297 or a $997 paywall, and that's just not the case. It comes down to your hard work, and the best way to get out of the beginner dropshipping stage is going to be by testing your ads, testing different products, testing your store, right? Test everything you can until you find something that works, and then once you find something that works, then you can go into the intermediate phase and you can actually level up your business and you can start replicating on your success that you have. Now for you intermediate dropshippers. What is an intermediate dropshipper? Well, most likely if you're an intermediate dropshipper, you are most likely actually creating your own videos or paying someone to create your own videos. You have hired a VA, you're working with a sourcing agent, and you're not afraid to test big budget CBOs. I'm talking $500, $1,000, $2,000, right? You're spending some big money on Facebook. At this point, you are not scared to launch new campaigns, and you probably have a great retargeting funnel set up where you have at the top level, you probably have all of your cold traffic campaigns, then you have your middle of the funnel, and then you have your super refined, hot retargeting audiences that you're absolutely crushing it. And at this point, most likely you're exploring other traffic sources like Google, like Snapchat, TikTok, any other traffic sources that you can use, especially with email. You're probably marketing, you have built up a great email list of a couple thousand customers and you're really crushing it. If you're an intermediate dropshipper, the only step you need to take really to get to the next level is by reinvesting your profits into your business and to start giving away some of the control over your business in terms of hiring and managing people. Now for the advanced, I'm probably only speaking to a few of you guys out there, and honestly, if you're advanced, I don't even know why you're watching my channel, because at that point you should already be crushing it and you should be hitting bigger numbers than me, right? So like if you're an advanced dropshipper, I'm gonna show you guys a couple testimonials here from some of my students who I would consider to be advanced dropshippers, okay? You're gonna see a bunch of screenshots fly across the screen in the next couple minutes here. So watch these, use this as motivation, because you guys can get to the advanced dropshipping level if you work hard enough. Now that you've seen those, students that I worked with, right? They started in the beginner, stages. Almost all of them started in the beginner stages, and they worked their way up to advanced, or right at the tip of the advanced level, and past intermediate, right? They're in between intermediate and advanced once they're done working with me. That's why I strongly believe in my free mentorship program, you guys. Like, it feels weird that I'm like trying to sell you on a free mentorship, but I really want you guys to join it, and that's why I keep talking about it and putting out these videos every single day to reach more people. So if you have a friend that maybe doesn't have the money, or you have, you just want to learn yourself, and you want to learn from someone that actually knows how to do it the right way, and is an honest business person, and is out there actually trying to help you guys learn, then make sure you just subscribe to my channel, share with someone, like and comment. Okay, but the video's not over. Okay, I want to tell you guys about advanced dropshippers, because this is exactly what you want to be. So you basically, as an advanced dropshipper, you don't have to do anything except for run your ads. And even that, you can get it outsourced. At this point, as an advanced dropshipper, you're going to have 3 to 4 VAs. You're going to have a sourcing agent who's completely automated everything. And if, even further, most likely you're going to already have US fulfillment. You're going to be buying your product in bulk from China for, pennies on the dollar, and you're going to ship it directly to your US fulfillment center, who's going to be able to compete with Amazon and even give you like 2 to 3 day shipping, which essentially no one can compete with you at that point, drop shipping wise, right? You're investing your profits back into your business. So essentially you're almost untouchable when it comes to your drop shipping product. Even if you're selling the same product someone else is, and they're selling it for cheaper and they're giving bad service, right? Those stores that are selling your product and that are purely drop shipping it with like 20 to 30 day shipping times, they're going to get shut down by Facebook, and they're not going to last long. So maybe your ads will take a hit for a little bit, but overall they will be profitable in the long run, and your brand is what really matters, right? You're trying to build value, you're trying to build a brand so that way you can sell it later. And I think that is probably one of the best things you can do with your dropshipping stores, is build it into a brand and really, really try and scale it. That's what I'm trying to do with my stores right now. So that's what I'd recommend you guys strive for as well. And I want to keep you guys updated on, building my brand as much as I can. There's a ton of stuff in the works that's behind the scenes that I want to show you guys. It's just tough because if I show you guys my winning products, right, you're just going to copy them, and then I'm going to take a slight hit on my profit. And especially when you're starting up a brand, like, it's so easy for someone to replicate it if you don't have all the infrastructure in place yet. So once I get all the infrastructure in place, then I can, show you guys some of that stuff. But with the dropshipping business model, it's kind of like, impossible to really share your product right away until after you're done with the business. So it'd be like if a major company, right, just revealed all of their, insider data on like who they're marketing to, what they're selling, what their marketing strategy is to their competitors, right? Their competitors would just take it. Business is cutthroat at the end of the day. And sometimes that's what it takes to succeed, is by keeping what you have running successfully, because it's going to make you a lot more money down the line compared to if you just basically give it out, and that profit share is going to be split like crazy, right? If you find a winning product, why would you want to give it to everyone else? Because that doesn't make any sense. You're going to be losing money. That's not really a smart business decision. But if I'm done with the store, I'll definitely show you guys. So with this, I hope you guys are able to identify which dropshipper you are, whether it's beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And I want you to make sure you understand how to get out of that specific stage in your career of dropshipping. I'm here to help you guys. So I really appreciate all the support I've been seeing lately. So as always, keep your mind right. Peace.